All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of the Crypto Breakdown. I'm your host, Ryan Mata. Coin of the day, Cosmos. Can this coin 2x, 5x, maybe even 10x? Let's pull it up in the charts. Let's break this coin down just like we do in the live stream every night. So taking a look at Atom currently has a circulating supply of 286 million coins out in circulation. Price is $16.16. If we take the circulating supply and we times that by our price, that gives our market cap. So there's currently roughly $4.6 billion worth of Atom out in supply. Now, if we jump over here and we take a look at Atom Tokenomics, if the price of Atom is roughly $16 and the market cap is $4.6 billion, for you to 2x on an Atom investment and for Atom to hit the price of $32, market cap would need to be $9.2 billion. 10x, $160, $46 billion. 20x, $320, $92 billion. And for you to 100x on an Atom investment, for the price of Atom to hit $1,600, the market cap would need to be $460 billion. So is that possible for a bigger layer one to have a market cap that high? Absolutely. We've seen Ethereum hit $570 billion, but there needs to be massive demand for that underlying asset in order for it to hit those levels. We've seen Cardano hit $94 billion with no smart contracts and no demand. Solana blew up because the Solana ecosystem blew up. Shiba, meme coin, $41 billion market cap. So do I think that Atom could easily have a market cap of 46 billion to 92 billion? Very realistically, I do. Now, can it compete against other big layer ones next bull run? We'll have to find out. Let's take a look. The first site I'd like to check out is Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush tracks cryptocurrencies based off of popularity. We can see that Cosmos currently has a Galaxy score of a 1 and an altcoin ranking of a -35. So out of all altcoins, Atom is roughly between the first and the 31st most popular cryptocurrency in the world right now. It's the #1 performing asset against Bitcoin in the last 30 days. Price is up 37.9%. Social metrics are up 13.8%. Social engagement's up 50%. Dominance is up 146%. Social contributions are up 9.7%. Shared links are down 23.8%. Spam volume is down 42%. That's a good thing. We can see price versus BTC plus 55%. Bullish sentiment's up 19%. Market dominance is up 18.1%. And volatility is up 364%. News volume down here in the bottom left, we can see news volume is up 39.4%. So a lot of media attention. The next site to check out is Masari. Masari makes it really easy to track a few things like metrics. So if we swing over here and we take a look at the supply, we can see that Atom currently has what looks like no max supply. So their circulating supply is 286 million. They have an inflation rate of 5.7%. In 10 years, they're going to have 466 million coins out in circulation. And in year 2050, they'll have 761 million coins. So for all of eternity, they're just going to print more coins. But as long as there's a demand for that asset, it's not necessarily a bad thing. So the next site to check out is DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama tracks the TVL of an ecosystem. And all I'm really showing is Osmosis. So I assume that Osmosis is going to represent a majority of the Cosmos ecosystem. And there's roughly $253 million locked in TVL and Osmosis, but there's nothing that we're really tracking over here as far as TVL and Cosmos. The next I'd like to swing over to is CoinCodex. CoinCodex uses machine learning and AI indicators to make some price predictions. So they're saying in 5 days, they're expecting to see Cosmos at $17.65, 1 month, $17.64, 3 months back down to $11.64. 6 months up to $44, and 1 year they're saying to $73.52. According to our current Cosmos price predictions, the value of Cosmos is predicted to rise by 8.7% and reach a target of $17.65 by September 14th of 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish, while the fear and greed index is showing 22, extreme fear. Cosmos recorded 14 out of 30 green days with an average price velocity of 16.1%. If we take a look at the pros and cons, we can see that Cosmos has outperformed 76% of top 100 crypto assets in the last year. It has outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum. It has positive price performance compared to token sale price. It is trading near a cycle high and has high liquidity based on market cap. Risk analysis, you have price drop significantly over the past year, down 31%, trading below the 200-day moving average, only 14 out of 30 green days, down 64% from an all-time high, and it has a yearly inflation rate of 29.43%. Now, if we swing over here and we take a look at Cosmos or Atom on the charts, we actually just started to short Atom because we just broke above the 4 hour. So if you guys have been following my trading strategy, a lot of people in our community have been absolutely killing it. We're just waiting for assets to break above the 4 hour, break above the 70 on the 4 hour time frame, and we're scaling and building into shorting positions, waiting for that big retrace and either trying to ride it down depending on how bearish the market gets, or just looking to exit and take profits along the way. A lot of people out there are talking that this 17.5K may have been bottom for Bitcoin, but if you guys haven't been around the market for a while, anytime Bitcoin's falling down here, Bitcoin's going to 10K, right? Everybody's so confident 2 days ago that Bitcoin's going to 10K, maybe 8K. And then all of a sudden it starts to take off and everybody's, oh, Bitcoin super cycle, bull runs back on. This was absolute bottom, blah, 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 blah. I do think that this very high probability that this could be bottom. I think we might see some wicks down depending on how bad the big stock market crash is that's going to happen. Not sure when, but I definitely think it's going to bring crypto down with it. But the idea is hopefully that Bitcoin gets back up to 25, 26, 27K. And then when we have the big crash, it just free falls right back down to here. So we'll have to see. But everything's looking super bullish as far as Cosmos. Because we just broke out and run, we broke above the 4 hour. I would be expecting some type of retrace before it breaks out and runs again. So based off of this market structure and this most recent pull up here, I would be expecting a pullback for Cosmos to come down between 1483 at the very least and 1318, somewhere in that range before it tries to break out and run again. Doesn't really look like we have much resistance until we get back upwards of like $25. So if we can break out above, or if Cosmos can retrace back down and find support and then start making that next push to the upside, I think that next target up is going to be calling for a price between $24 and $26.19. So do me a favor, guys, drop some comments below. Let me know what you guys think of Atom. It's one of those really unique projects. I mean, the IBC and the way that Cosmos is connecting all these different blockchains together. Unfortunately, I'm not a huge fan of their tokenomics, but drop some comments below. Let me know where you guys think Atom's headed in the next couple of months, and I'll catch you guys in the live streams.